Waco done, him dead. Big news flash, a big story a go on at Trinidad. After him this Prezi, him dead. Me a go talk about it. Let's go.
Fuck Prezi, I mean it. 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 Yeah. Fuck Prezi, I mean it. Chopping nothing in the face, I'm winning it. Yeah.
My wonderful friends, it's me again, the great. One more great countryman. Remember to like, share and subscribe and click on another video. Big up all of the subscriber them. Big up everybody. Yo, St. Anne's Ochi. You know me at all. Big up yourself. Now, another one bite the dust. Waco done. Big news flash. Somebody link me and tell me say him dead. Now, him just not too long ago. This Prezi run the 7. Waco done him with the 6 camp. The 6 and the 7 used to be 1, including Prince Swanee. Yo, it is a very complicated puzzle. But when you hear me talk about murder music and people in Trinidad, especially Trinidad, say countryman, you don't like Trini this, that, whatnot. That's not true. Me like Trini, me love Trinidad. And me love the Trini girl them. But what I don't like is the killing, the murder going on behind the music. And I am a Jamaican. Reggae should be my expertise since I'm a Jamaican and I'm into music. So I feel like I can talk on it. Furthermore, I'm a Caribbean citizen and I want to see better for the Caribbean. Now, I don't know much details on how Waco done got Wack. Okay? But what I do know is that Prezi is no slow leak and Prezi have connection. I did talk about Prezi in prior videos, and when I really thought about it, I said, you know what? Prince Swanee and them youth are war with Prezi, but Prezi is a youth with experience. Him have money. Him run a whole neighborhood. Him are the Dudus of Trinidad. And me know say it hard for war with them man there with money. Look, when you're at a war, you have to have money where you can keep yourself safe, keep your family them safe, stay out of the target practice. You can a war and dip a microphone and a perform and this and that and talk about you is a celebrity. It's totally backwards. So just to recap everybody, somebody say Waco done get Wack out. Him did this Prezi. The full video, me have it. Me and drop it in the WhatsApp group so you can check it. Me I go stay up on top of this story. But me did already know everything that's going on right here. I predicted it. I predicted all of this. And like me say, it's a real shame and disgrace. The man them take reggae music and pretty much turn it into murder music. I have never ever seen anything like this. Other people in other country do reggae and them now abuse it like all these Trinidad guys abuse it. I was listening to a track by Waco and this guy. That's the video playing in the background, and the thing is just really terrible. It's all these kind of killing, and they think of every kind of way how to shoot somebody. Believe me. Use the grizzle, put it in him nozzle, head top, head back, under your belly. Yo, these guys are totally psychopathic. And I spoke, like me and my brethren reason, Rastaman out of Ochi there. And I think one of the biggest thing that fuck with us is the trauma. The trauma, cause we all traumatized. And from that trauma come more trauma. And nobody has seen a psychiatrist or try get help counseling. And that come from the family them. And you know, people, I say, oh, poor people, them not have no money, whatever. But it's the same thing in Jamaica, Trinidad, Barbados. Too much trauma. And trauma breed them kind of thing, yeah. On top of the dirty government, them. And the dirty police. And then it caused the dirty gang them for come in play. But yeah, Waco down. Me not lie, when me hear the news, it kind of make my heart sink, cause me I say, Janu, another youth gone, and another mother cry. And me now say, I Prezi do it. But look at all the facts. Prezi Road, a big time neighborhood. I'm quite sure there's different factions of gangs that's loyal to this man. So even if he didn't give the order per se, you have the worshippers them who's gonna pick it up on them head and go deal with Wakadan. With that said, there is more coming, cause me I stay up on top of that story, yeah. And me I give you the info, but this is no surprise. It's just really sad. Yo, my name is Countryman. Remember to like, share, subscribe, and click on another video. I'm out.